parang hindi naman porkit bad boy ka, masama ka na talaga, di ba? Parang baka naman na-involve ka lang kasi, alam mo yun, peer pressure or circle of friends mo, ganun ka. Pero kung responsible ka naman and good heart ka, di ba? Kahit na bad boy ka, I think okay lang naman yun.
Alright,
So,
my second question is, picking up from the tagline na binanggit kanina ni James, I may not be your prince, but I may be your slave. How could you expound this one?
Well, Top doesn't really see himself as a prince. Not the fairy tale prince that Samantha would like to have. But because he loves her, he would do anything to be with her. So, do anything for her and be her slave.
How about for Joseph? Same question.
Same line. What's the line again?
You're having him react dun sa quote ni
Tagline kanina na, I may not be your prince, but I may be your slave.
I may not be your prince, but I can be your slave. Kasi pagdating sa love, kahit na gaano kataas ka, kahit na anong position mo, kahit na anong lifestyle mo, pag na-in-love ka, wala eh. Parang ibibigay mo lahat eh, kahit na ano pang mangyari. Minsan, yung pride mo mawawala, minsan yung ego mo mawawala, kasi nga, you love the person. So, siguro doon niya nakuha yung point na kahit na maging slave mo ako, mamahalin kita.
Thank you.
Baklang-bakla naman yung maging slave. Pero ako yun. Chika. Okay, next question. Please, yun si FPJ. Go.
Hi, question ko lang is, have you read the book before you got the role? Or while doing filming? Or, yun nga, after na nabasa nyo yung libro?
Nabasa nyo na ba? All four of you? Okay, nabasa nyo nila. So, ang tanong natin ngayon is...
So, ang tanong doon is, how did you react to the role? And sa tingin nyo ba nakarelate talaga kayo when you were reading the book?
Ayun. After reading it and then you're actually doing the roles, the characters, nakarelate.
Me personally, hindi ko pa nabasa yung libro. Kasi what happened is, Audrey de la Cruz, she isn't really a positive image all throughout the movie. Kasi nga, nangaaway siya. So meron siyang parang kontrabida part and almost like secret part of the movie. So, pinag-isipan talaga ng Viva if they were gonna give me the role. But then Boss Veronique really wanted me to be together, of course, with James and Nadine to be part of the three of the Fab Four. And of course, including Joseph now this time. And so what I did, we were so close to the days of shooting when they finally made the decision na ako talagang gaganap na Audrey. I talked to Alisana instead, and then I asked her everything na, kasi for me, para mabuhay ako sa character ni Audrey now, I wanted to know what happened before, what's gonna happen in the next book, para alam ko kung paano ko aatakihin yung part ng script where the book is coming from. Part of the book where the script is coming from. Yun.
Well, ako naman, honestly, hindi ko rin nabasa yung book. Actually, parang 30 pages lang, pero huminto na ako. So yun, trinay kong basahin yung book, siguro mga 30 pages, pero huminto na ako kasi nag-start na rin kami mag-taping ng Pure Love, and yun nga, binasa ko na rin yung script. Pero sabi nila, yung script daw namin and sa book, parang very similar naman talaga. Parang nakuha naman lahat ng important details from the book to the script. And then while reading the script, parang, yeah, naka-relate din ako and naging excited ako, especially dun sa red hair niya. Kasi parang, for me, it's you to me. Parang cool naman magkukulaan yung buko. So nag-look forward ako kung paano yung magiging role ko and atake ko. And yun. So, nag-enjoy naman ako habang nabasa ko yung book.
Ito din ako, asang nabasa niya yung book. Did you read the
Yes,
book?
of course.
Wow!
I read all four books in 2 days, actually.
Yeah, diary. I read the diary. We all did.
I really did. But after I read the book, even the script, I was so excited to play the character of Top because his character is so strong, and it was really going to test my acting ability, and I was really excited to do something I've never tried. So overall, I was really excited.
Thanks, James. Nadine, did you read the book?
Okay, yes po. I read the book.
Yay! Nakadalawa! 2 against 2. Go back.